In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an orthophoto in Civil 3D. An orthophoto is an aerial image that's been geometrically corrected so you can measure and reference it directly in your design. It's great for adding real-world context to surfaces, alignments, and site layouts. Start by opening the Civil 3D drawing where you want the image to appear. Make sure this is the file you intend to work in because the image will be referenced into this drawing and used as background context. If your project uses specific units or a known coordinate framework, have that drawing ready so the photo aligns as expected. Next, head to the Insert tab along the ribbon. Look for the Attach panel and choose Attach Raster Image. This opens a file browser where you can select the orthophoto you want to use. Common formats include JPG and TIFF, and if you have a GeoTIFF, that file can carry coordinate information inside it. If your orthophoto is a plain JPG or TIFF, it may rely on a companion world file for positioning. If that's present in the same folder with the same base name, Civil 3D can often use it. Once you've selected the file, you'll see options for where and how the image should come in. You can specify an insertion point by typing coordinates or by picking on screen. If the photo has georeferencing that Civil 3D recognizes, leaving the default insertion values is often the simplest path. For scale, choose values that match your drawing units. If the image is georeferenced, defaults typically make sense. For rotation, 0 degrees keeps the photo north up, which is usually what you want. If your drawing uses a different orientation, enter the appropriate angle or rotate it later after insertion. After confirming these settings, place the image. Zoom and pan to verify it appears in the expected location relative to your line work. If you need to nudge the placement visually, you can reposition or slightly adjust the scale and rotation until it aligns with known features in your drawing. Keep in mind that very large rasters can be demanding on performance. It can help to work at appropriate zoom levels and temporarily hide the image when editing dense geometry. That's it. You've opened your drawing, used Insert to attach a raster image, browse to your orthophoto, and set the insertion point, scale, and rotation. With the orthophoto in place, you can design with confidence, referencing real-world imagery directly inside Civil 3D.